Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad E15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad E15 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, such as a faulty power supply or a damaged internal component. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications, potentially resulting in data loss or more extensive repairs. To get started on fixing your device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to ensure you don't damage any sensitive components during the repair. First, ensure the device is powered off. Begin by carefully removing the screws from the base of the laptop using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover of the device. It's important to do this slowly to avoid breaking any clips or damaging the casing. After opening the device, locate the power connector. This is typically situated near the battery and is often the culprit when the laptop won't turn on. Gently disconnect the power connector by pulling it away from the motherboard. If it feels stuck, do not force it. Instead, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that secure it. Lift the battery out carefully, avoiding any nearby components. With the battery out, it's easier to access the motherboard. If you see any signs of damage or burnt traces around the power connector area, it may need to be replaced. To install a new connector, simply reverse the removal process. Connect the new power connector to the motherboard, ensuring it fits snugly. Once connected, replace the battery and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Remember to double-check all connections to ensure everything is in place before closing the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully align the back cover of the laptop and press it down until you hear the clip snap back into place. Finally, replace the screws in the base of the device, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to use your laptop on a flat, stable surface to avoid overheating. Regularly check the charging cable for any signs of wear and tear, and avoid using the laptop while it's charging if it feels excessively hot. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.